Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the headset and app so you can move files fast. First, enable unknown sources and install CX File Explorer. This gives you direct file access. Then connect your Quest 2 with USB-C or set up Wi-Fi ADB. USB is faster. Wi-Fi is more flexible. Open CX and accept the storage and permission prompts so the app can read and write. Once done, you'll see internal and external storage locations. Make sure to note which is which before you proceed. Once CX is running, you use its navigation to find files and folders quickly. Tap the left panel to switch internal, SD, or network. This helps when moving big APKs or media. Long press a file to reveal copy, move, rename, compress, and permission options. Use copy, then navigate to the destination before pasting. For large transfers, preview file size and format so you don't waste time. If you need to open a file, choose the built-in viewer or select another app to handle special. To finish, move files the way that suits you. Drag and drop inside CX or copy and paste for precise control. Watch the progress bar and then verify the file size at the destination. When done, safely eject the storage or turn off Wi-Fi ADB before unplugging the cable to avoid corruption. If something goes wrong, files missing or access denied, check app permissions, confirm USB mode is file transfer, or restart CX and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the headset if permissions look correct but transfers fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.